Is your PS3 blinking red light and shutting off instantly? Don't panic. You can fix this at home with a few proven methods. Welcome to TechVibes. Let's fix your PS3 quickly and get you back to gaming. The blinking red light usually means your PS3 is overheating or facing a hardware issue. It can be caused by dust buildup, thermal paste failure, or power supply problems. The good news is many of these can be fixed without replacing your console. Step 1. Perform a proper power reset. Turn off your PS3 completely and unplug it from power. Hold the power button for about 10 seconds to drain residual power. Wait at least 5 minutes, plug it back in and turn it on again. This resets internal circuits and sometimes clears the error instantly. Step 2. Clean internal dust and improve airflow. Dust is the biggest reason behind overheating. Use compressed air to clean the vents and fan area. Make sure your PS3 is placed in an open space with proper airflow. Avoid tight shelves or enclosed spaces. Better airflow can stop the red light issue from coming back. Step 3. Check and replace thermal paste. Over time, the thermal paste between the CPU and heatsink dries out. This causes overheating very quickly. If you're comfortable opening the console, remove the old paste and apply a fresh, thin layer of high-quality thermal paste. This can significantly reduce heat and fix the blinking red light issue. Step 4. Inspect the power supply unit. Sometimes the issue is not heat but unstable power. Open the console carefully and check the power supply connections. If the power supply is faulty, replacing it can fix sudden shutdowns and red blinking light problems. Make sure you use a compatible replacement. Step 5. Fan test and cooling check. Turn on your PS3 and listen to the fan. If the fan is not spinning properly or is too noisy, it may be failing. A weak fan cannot cool the system. Replacing the fan can solve overheating issues permanently. Step 6. Check HDMI and internal connections. Loose internal connections can also trigger safety shutdown. Make sure cables inside the console are properly connected. Also check your HDMI cable and port. Sometimes signal issues can cause system instability. Step 7. Reflow method is last option. If nothing works, the issue may be with the motherboard connections. The reflow method involves reheating the chip area to fix loose solder joints. This is an advanced fix and should only be done carefully or by a professional. It can revive a dead PS3 in many cases. Pro tip: always keep your PS3 in a cool, dust-free environment, clean it every few months. This prevents the blinking red light issue from happening again. If you face any difficulty while trying these fixes, drop a comment below and I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more quick and powerful tech fixes. Stay smart, stay cool. Your PS3 is not done yet.